Welcome to my channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a product review and a tutorial for you, starting off on dry, tangled, week-old hair. This review will be on the Aussie products, so that's the conditioner and the shampoo and their detangler. So now I'm just parting my hair into sections, getting ready to start the detangling process. I wanted to do my review on Aussie because I noticed a lot of these hair companies who typically or originally didn't have products for women of color are now coming out with products for women of color. So I just wanted to try this one out in particular because I understand it's getting a lot of attention to see if it's actually worth it. So in this video, I will let you guys know if I'm stashing this product or if I am trashing this product. All right, so now I am working the conditioner through my hair. The first thing that I noticed is that it doesn't really give me much coverage, but I'm also contributing that to my hair being so dry. So I'm getting more conditioner to detangle through. And of course, just starting with the ends, working my way up to the roots. I did have quite some trouble with detangling because it wasn't giving me the slip that I needed, but the conditioner smelled really good. And this is my other side, very crunchy. Oh my goodness. I'm using even more conditioner and working it through. And I just kind of feel like the conditioner is just sitting on top of my hair, not really penetrating, but that is also has to do with the porosity of my hair, so I'm contributing to that as well. But I will say, when I do use products that are actually for women of color, like Cantu, I don't have this problem. It slips right through. So that's the best I could do with detangling. So now I'm just going to put a cap on, let that sit for about 30 minutes. So this is me washing the conditioner out. I do apologize about the angle of my shower, but this is what I had to work with for now. And now I'm putting the conditioner, the shampoo in. And right away with shampooing, it smelled really good and it did lather up very quickly. I didn't have to use a lot of products, but it stripped my hair. It felt very dry. So this is me putting conditioner back into my hair to replenish what the shampoo just took away. I don't like shampoo products that strip. I do want to bring your attention to the curl though. Their conditioner very much so brought the curl out in my hair. It enhanced it. And the conditioner does feel good. I'm still not getting the coverage that I would love, but it did spread more with my hair being wet. So this is me just rinsing out the conditioner. All right, so now we're about to get into the styling. Now I did notice my hair did have a lot of volume after it was washed and conditioned with their products, but it's feeling a little dry to me as of right now, but hopefully the next products to come will take care of that. So you know me, putting it into my 4 sections so that we don't get overwhelmed with the full fro. We just work in sections. And I don't do perfect parts. I just take in section and section it off. My hair is still very tangled, you all. So hopefully this detangler and this is their curly pudding works with getting my hair a little detangled more. So I'm just working in their detangler into my hair. Now I will say, just comparing this detangler to Cantu's, it's a no match. Like Cantu's detangles on spot. This I actually had to do some extra stuff to. It didn't, do a really good job with detangling. But their curly pudding, I did notice enhanced my curls right away, just like the conditioner. I don't know if you can really see the definition, but it did give me good definition with my curls. I am a type 3C4A, so some sections is more defined. But I noticed with this product, it defined all over my head. You would think that I was all 3C. And I'm just doing my little perm rods, continuing with this section. That curly pudding actually felt really good on my hair. It's supposed to be sulfate free and it's supposed to have jojoba oil and coconut oil in it. So it felt good on my hair when applying it. And I'm just going to continue the same process with the rest of my hair. Still still tangled. And I did, even though the curly pudding felt good on my hair, I did have to use a lot of the product to get the full coverage from my roots to the ends. But look at that. That is some definition right there. All products do not do that. Right away, it started to take to the product. Okay, now this is the next morning. I am kind of rushing you all. I do have a Skype meeting to attend. I did notice my hair was very itchy when I went to take my scarf off. So I just decided to use some tea tree oil to oil my scalp some. So now I'm just taking out the perm rods. Now, due to the porosity of my hair, it is not completely dry. It dried a good amount, but not enough to the point where I was comfortable with it. But I'm still going to go ahead and remove my rollers because, like I stated, I did have a Skype meeting to go to, and I couldn't be on there with rollers and a scarf. But if it wasn't for that, I would have waited until my hair dried completely to film this section of the tutorial. But I had to do what I had to do. Okay, it's still dry, so I'm applying some more tea tree oil. And then I'm gonna just start pulling and separating as I go. Now, I will say I am very impressed with the curl pattern. It may not look like much to you all right now, but it did look a lot better in person. And also, please remember my hair is still a little bit damped. But my hair definitely took to the curls or to the whatever ingredients they have to make your hair curl like that. It definitely took. So now I'm just separating it all and trying to get it as defined as possible without getting it frizzy. I'm trying to stretch it out without it being super frizzy. Because I hate shrinkage. Like, shrinkage is a natural girl's worst enemy. Okay, now my hair is fully separated. Again, look at the volume and the curls just bouncing. So because it's not fully dry, what I'm going to do is just put it in a short style so that I can go to my Skype meeting, and then I'm going to let it stay this way so it can stretch and dry. And then I'll be back with the actual styling of it. So you're just going to see me put it in 2 ponytails with the bang. And that is actually how I stretch my hair when I have a twist out. I just put it in 2 ponytails and I sleep like that. But I wouldn't leave a bang out. It would be my full hair. And I actually like this style. It was cute. All right, my day is over and my hair is completely dry at this point. So I'm taking it down to get the true look of it. And quite frankly, guys, I am highly disappointed. My hair looks exactly the way it looked when I started. A hot mess. Like, you wouldn't even think I just went through wash day and did all of this work. It looks no different than the beginning of this video. And it's so dry. I don't know if you can really see, but there is like cakey stuff in my hair. So I just decided that this is not working. So I'm just gonna put some curls conditioner in it, moisturizer, to try to bring it to life. So I think it's safe to say, as you guys see me style my hair, I am not stashing their products. I will be trashing them. The conditioner was the best out of the entire line that I just used, which was their Miracle Curls line. My hair was just completely dry. Like after it dried all the way, and it dried in a stretched state. That's why I'm really confused as to why it went back to looking like it was a week old. Like I have a week old twist out that I just stopped doing maintenance on, and it was brand new. Also, I want to point out the product that I used to twist my hair stated that it was a curly pudding. My hair is so hard and cakey, it dried like a gel. And then I went back and looked at the texture of it and compared it to the other type of gels that I have. It's a gel. That is not a pudding. Puddings are supposed to be creamy. That was like a clear liquidy type of thing. So all in all, I was able to style my hair to get it to something that I felt was halfway decent, but I'm probably just going to put a turban over it, or put it in a high puff, because I am very disappointed. If you're a person who is just doing it for the definition of curls, then okay. But if you care about how your hair feels, these are not the products for you. That's all I have for you today, guys. I'm not stashing, I'm trashing. Thanks for watching.